Hey everyone, so I made it to my local grocery store. For me it's gonna be fries, but Kroger, look how cute. You tell me that Pinguino family is not the cutest thing ever. I haven't even seen one at Home Goods yet, but I like him. He's a little chunky guy down here with his little chunky sweater. I want it, but I don't need it. It's 80 bucks. $80, but there's a little sale. All right, a little sell on that. Okay, but still so cute. And to all a good night, $12. It will light up. Merry Christmas for 8. Season greetings are 16. Oh, here's a little home countdown, like a cabin for 24. I love it. All is bright. And we have the beetle with the little tree for $11.99. Your joy will light up for $20. Merry Christmas little wreath. That's $28. Happiness is homemade. These are 8. Merry and bright. Ooh. And $10.39. Ho ho ho. They do have a green one. It will say Merry. Believe in the magic, $15.99. Oh, what are these? Okay, these are ornaments, you know, the mystery. Only see Harry Potter. Nightmare is sold out. Peace, Noel, those are 8. And these angels are $12. Let me go down here. Some Nomi guys, and everything over here is nothing but candy. Like a lot of it is 10 for 10. Tons and tons of candy. Frosty the Snowman, Santa Claus. You could find these in the Dollar Tree and the 99-cent store. Palmer, again, if you're a fan. This one's really cute. Oh, look how cool. Build a snowman. So it's like breakable, but look, you got a snowman on it. Okay, that's kind of cool if you like to play with your candy. 3 for $5. Look at chocolate. You could do the same thing with Santa.
An ugly Reese's sweater.
Oh, that's funny. That's a new one. That's $5. I've never seen that one. And then let me walk over here, you guys. I can't get over how cute this is. Oh my gosh, I have nowhere for it. I wouldn't know what to do with it. And monogram mugs are $7.19, just like very basic. Okay, here is a Santa, a little bear, $7.19. Deck the halls, winter wishes, those are $7.19. Actually, everything here is $7.19. Even the large one? Yeah, the jumbo. The jumbo. Put some spiked hot chocolate. I've been craving that. Treat your elf. How funny. Go down here, $5.59, a little Santa platter. And you know what? Also a tree. These are $2.39. Cookie party. And cute little gingerbread tins. These are good for nuts. Maybe a little chocolate Hershey Kisses. $2.39. And $9.09 for an 18-piece cookie cutter set. And it looks like over here is nutcrackers. They're all $15.99. Has glasses on. It's a little countdown. I like this guy right here. And $2.39. All the little cooking containers, whatever you're gonna bring to somebody's home. Ho ho ho, gingerbread. And everything here is for baking. Tons of baking, icing. These are like $4.89. I actually need to buy some. I'm not too sure which ones I'm gonna get this year. I might wait These are candy cane and like peppermint crunch. So normally I make like cake balls and I put a little something on top. And a few ornaments. Oh, they have the little, like a weenie dog. $6.39, little weenie dog. Ice cream. Very colorful. They're all glass. They're all gonna break, so you gotta be careful. Santa mail. And most of these stockings, $11.99. Your monogram, the little Nomi guy in the corner. They have a unicorn. Oh, there's a cowboy boot. There's a cowboy for Christmas. Christmas cowboy. That's kind of fun. Oh, there's a blue one too, kind of like a denim. So I just bought in mini brands and holy moly, $10 for one. Are you crazy? Because like they're like $5 to $6, right? I'm like, what? Depends on the series. I don't know. But this one's a Toy Surprise for $7. Look at the dinosaur one. I have not seen that yet. Bluey. I still haven't seen Bluey. But you know, everyone says it's good. I have not seen it. A cowboy. Santa, another one. One has Chili and he's holding a cowboy boot for $20. Kind of like the one with Chili. And look at the back on him. He has the presents. It's another Santa. He's baking up a storm with the muffins and cupcakes. This one at the bottom with the bear, $32. And $40. I feel like, oh, you know what? It's gonna light up. His little scarf will light up. His outfit. And the nutcracker. I do like that nutcracker. It looks kind of funny. And it looks like you get a little stuffy and a blanket for 20% off. Not sure on that price. So I found this sign. I'm not too sure if it goes for Christmas. It says Harvest Decor and Tabletop 50% off. So I'm not too sure. There's no price on the snowman tree, but he will light up. He's 60. Oh, see, 50% off. See, I don't know. Here's like the harvest stuff, whatever's left over. It might be just for that only. $15.99, and of course it's gonna light up. I'm gonna lift it up for you. There we go. Little snowman hanging around. These are all the same price. This one's gonna be $20, a little different. They're on a train. And these stars are $6.39, and they're gonna light up. See, this one's $15.99. Oh, that's kind of cute. I like that. I also have a deer one. $16.09. Oh, look at the little wax warmer snowman. He's adorable. This one has like a little moose on it. And oil diffuser. And colorful trees. Those are $4.79. I feel like that is it right now for any Christmas decor. Normally they have like more. Hopefully they bring some out. Plenty of toys here, but some of their toys are overpriced in my opinion. But check this out. I found this around the corner. They're large poppets, you guys. $18. Look at that dinosaur one. The small ones are going to be 10. So these are 10. So hopefully you can find them. Blue. They have like this large dog. It's a large guy. It's like a little one. Unicorn. I really like the dinosaur one because I've never seen it. And then again, just multiple colors of unicorn and doggies. Here's a colorful horse. And then toys, Build-A-Bear. Oh, $5 off coupon with a purchase of 25 or more for Build-A-Bear. Okay, that'd be a good one to do for Christmas time. Play-Doh, it looks like $11.89, and you get 16. Let's see, shop early, Black Friday. Okay, that is 15 for the griddle. This is this one's $14.99, so 15 for a panini press. I haven't been to Macy's yet because I feel like Macy's You know they're all about the rebate. $70 for the air fryer. And 15, you get a set of 3 glass mason jars, and they do clamp. A knife set. Ooh, I really want to know how much that knife set is. There's no price on it. The large 4-piece, 15, and down here is 10. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in the grocery store. Christmas decor. Just want to show you what they have, what you could possibly find. Normally they bring out a lot of dishware, so I'm hoping to see more. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.